So, you have extra cash and want to invest in cryptocurrencies and earn millions? Or you just sold your retirement fund and want to 10x it in 2 months? Internet got you covered. Of course, you don't want to get S&P 500 which has 10% average yearly returns. Who wants that pesky 10% returns?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
We need big gains. And where we can find the next Dogecoin? Without a doubt, social media. It's a place where all experts gather. To be more specific, we will be looking into TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit experts for more information. When scrolling through social media, you often encounter some young lad who will say, I quote, "If you invested $1,000 in Shiba Inu when I said you have to, you would have $1 billion today. Or invest in these cryptocurrencies and make 10x by the next year." But often than not, you go through their social media and see there's no video proof that they recommended Shiba Inu or any altcoin before the hype. The clock is right 2 times a day. But by providing this kind of information, they gather following and they can shill any altcoin. And they get paid very well by doing it. They can earn from $15 to $30 for 1,000 views. So if the content piece gets over 100k views, they can earn from $1,500 to $3,000 for a single post. That's how you become rich, not by following what they are saying, but by watching what they are doing. There are 4 ways to earn money in this kind of market: creating your altcoin and promoting it, shilling altcoins, teaching others how to day trade or find new Dogecoin, pump and dumps. So don't waste any time and start earning some real money by not investing in shitcoins, but creating one. Welcome to the first part of making millions of dollars fast and quick. So before we even start to think about concept of your altcoin, we need to gather some information on what's popular. At this time of video recording, several topics are popular in various Doge, Floki, gaming, NFT, and metaverse coins. The rule of thumb is to create an altcoin around trending topics, for example, Squid Coin. There was an excellent rug pull example. They picked a trending topic at the time, the Squid Game Netflix series. After that, they created a landing page, made a pancake swap using a Binance chain, and just promoted it on social media. So with that all that information and great examples, we can start creating our own shitcoin. At this time, we will pick metaverse niche and let's name our project Meta Jungle. We will incorporate some ideas from all the niches we talked about before. First of all, let's say we promise there will be a virtual universe with a lot of minigames where people could trade their cryptocurrencies. Something like MMORPG games like RuneScape, World of Warcraft, etc. But game currency will be our shitcoin, I mean altcoin. With that altcoin, people can trade items, skins, and power-ups, so let's call that NFTs. Players who will play our game will have an opportunity to farm monsters and get NFTs like drop, and sell them for cryptocurrency and exchange that for another cryptocurrency. It's simple like that. But we don't want to waste any time on epic project, right? Right. So we will have to create a website, social media posts, graphics, videos on our own cryptocurrency. For our website and graphic creations, we can use sites like Upwork and Fiverr for outsource. It will cost you no more than $1,000. Of course, you can create it on your own. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube how to create a website. After that, we need some game development pictures. You can create them on your own or just outsource everything on Fiverr or Upwork. You choose. Next, we have a working prototype of website and graphics. We need to create some videos around our alleged game. Before we start our marketing campaign, we need to launch our cryptocurrency. The easiest step to create a cryptocurrency would be using smart contracts providers like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, or Polygon. For this part, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube how to do that. Or, as we learned before, we can outsource everything to freelancers. Most of the rug pulls projects are based on Binance and Solana because fees are small. So, as a cryptocurrency expert like yourself, you should choose Binance. After we have everything ready, it's time to launch and promote the shit out of the project. The first thing we need to do is to create a plan. On our landing page there should be as much social proof as possible and timers that create scarcity. People loving something is not guaranteed. In this way, there is a higher chance that people will be early investors. Also, don't forget to include a guide on your website how to buy your cryptocurrency. That's the point of everything. So after we have our website set up, we need to promote it. Create social media accounts for it. Most cryptocurrency projects for promotion are using Twitter, Reddit and Discord. But we will be cool kids and also use TikTok and Instagram. You might ask, why? Well, because we will create content pieces and community around your project. So people who will get early on will promote our project for free, and this way we will get more free publicity. For Twitter, use relevant hashtags for your project, create a catchy and informative tweet around your product, or you just can tell a story. Also, don't forget to engage with the community. For that, you can use various Twitter bots to automatize the task. For TikTok and Instagram, we will use the same videos which focuses on our cryptocurrency. We can automatize every task like following people, engaging with posts, etc. with bots. Reddit is different beast than other social media. We will use various social media panels to boost our post. Because Reddit algorithm works like this. You post a post, you get a positive feedback, comments, upvotes, and then your post will have a chance to get organic views. Of course, there are service providers like these, so you can outsource this step. After we gather some following and your project is getting traction, it's time to scale up your project to the next level. For this step, you can use various cryptocurrency influencers and pay them in your coins so they will promote your project to their audience. There is an example like Save the Kids.
My name's Fraser.
My name's Jarvis.
I'm Tico.
I'm Raiska.
I'm Nikon.
And I support Save the Kids token.
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 Get some ambassadors who don't care about their audience but only care about how to earn a quick buck. When project is live, wait several minutes and rug pull everything on new buyers. But maybe you have morals and don't want to do that. So you can become a cryptocurrency influencer and shill all the coins and project you want without taking any responsibility. If you don't want to launch your altcoin, there's another way. As you can see, there's a huge market for being a cryptocurrency influencer. So let's find out how you can become one. For becoming a cryptocurrency influencer, there are a lot of ways. The first way is, as most cryptocurrency influencers do, is to repost other people's content. It's easy. But you're not like that. You can create your unique content as these people do.
If you bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin in 2011, this is how much you would have.
So, you get the point. Talk about the past, like if you invested $1,000 in this altcoin 2 months ago, you would have $10,000 today. If you bought Bitcoin early for 8 cents each, now you would have 50k and so on. You get the point. And if you want to invest a little bit more of your time, you can create good content around cryptocurrencies, tutorials and so on. It will take time, but outcome is rewarding. There is some information online that some influencers charge 25k for a single shoutout. But how do you earn money? By shilling shitcoins and participating in pumps and dumps, which all due respect John McAfee did late in his career. Learn from the best and be the best. Don't forget, this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only. Stay safe. And this is, my friends, how you can earn money from cryptocurrencies and not by finding the next Dogecoin, Shiba Inu or Bitcoin.